Welcome to Deep Learning Architectures and Applications by Antonio Gulli and Sujit Pal, a video course by Pack Publishing. I'm Doug Stevens, and I will be their voice for this course. Antonio Gulli is a software executive and business leader with a passion for establishing and managing global technological talent, innovation, and execution. He is an expert in search engines, online services, machine learning, information retrieval, analytics, and cloud computing. So far, he's been lucky enough to gain professional experience in 4 different countries in Europe and managed people in 6 different countries in Europe and America. Antonio served as CEO, GM, CTO, VP, Director, and Site Lead in multiple fields, spanning from publishing to consumer internet and high-tech R&D, Microsoft and Google. Sujit Pal is a technology research director at Elsevier Labs, working on building intelligent systems around research content and metadata. His primary interests are information retrieval, ontologies, natural language processing, machine learning, and distributed processing. He is currently working on image classification and similarity using deep learning models. Prior to this, he worked in the consumer healthcare industry, where he helped build ontology-backed semantic search, contextual advertising, and EMR data processing platforms. He writes about technology on his blog at Salmon Run. Let me brief you about this course. Keras is a high-level neural network library written in Python and runs on top of either Theano or TensorFlow. It is a minimal, highly modular framework that runs on both CPU and GPU, and allows you to put your ideas into action in the shortest possible time. So now let's have a look at what we've got in store for this course in detail. Section 1. Exploring GAN. This section will introduce generative adversarial networks used to reproduce synthetic data that looks like data generated by humans. Section 2. Recurrent neural network. This section will cover recurrent neural networks, a class of network optimized for handling sequence data such as text. Section 3. WaveNet and Word Embedding. This section will present WaveNet, a deep neural network used for reproducing human voice and musical instruments with high quality. Also, this section will introduce you to word embeddings, a set of deep learning methodologies for detecting relationships between words and grouping together similar words. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin this journey together, and I hope you'll enjoy the ride.